Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover interest-only full or partial term solutions using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. For a full interest-only loan, enter the cost net, term, rate, and set the residual to 100%. Hit the calculate button. The amortization schedule is proof of solution. Now consider the client requiring interest only for the first 6 months of the contract. Enter the interest only term and the interest only rate. Any loan structure is permissible for the principal and interest component of the solution. Hit the calculate button. Once again, the amortization schedule is proof of solution. This concludes this video.